Hey YouTube, today I have a 2011 We the People Crysex bike check. I just got this bike on Wednesday. It's really nice. Like, the tires are Salt Pitch Raw. The front is a 20 by 2.25. The back is a Pitch Flow, not a Pitch Raw. It's 20 by 2.10. My pedals are E-Clutch. They're all stock. Everything on this bike's stock. I got Salt pedal, Salt cranks, a Salt Plus sprocket. I have a We the People Crisis seat, pivotal. I have a Salt stem. I have a Salt. I have We the People bars. Salt rims, Salt hubs front and back, a cassette hub in back, and just a regular. They're both sealed. Salt headset. This is all sealed. The headset's sealed. The cranks are sealed, and it's all integrated. Integrated headset, integrated crank. Got high tensile steel bars. They're 27 inches. The brakes are really good. This has been my bike check, and hope you guys subscribe. Me and my friend are gonna be posting edits. Yeah, so thanks for watching my YouTube video. This is a re-upload because my other one wasn't too good.